Sup YouTube, I have a surprise for you. So, show you that surprise. It's not a surprise. I'm going to show y'all today. I'm going to show y'all my workshop where I do. If you know me, I am I like doing engineering, like making electrical systems. Like I like to learn about that kind of things. So I have my own workshop here. So as you can see, this is my workshop. There is a wire going down there. That's for my light. This wire here, and I have plug this on. This is for this light. It show light. This is for and if I open, I use it for a lot of things. I come off it. And I have another light here. This light can move. So when I'm doing something, I'll pull this and pull this light very long. It's stuck there. Okay. So if I'm doing anything like here, I'm doing a soldering. So I can press the button and this bulb will on. So let me dim the light. Okay, is that good enough? Okay, good. So if I need it, I will just go there. There's a button here and I'll just press it and the light will bulb. Okay, so then the light will bulb. Let me focus. So the light will bulb. So scary. So this is my workshop. Now I'm working on to do this thing. I'm working on this car. So there are a lot of small parts here that is difficult. So there it is. I bought this very long time ago. It was in pieces. So I'm working on this. I'm working. So I have to use this for now. Just kidding. Okay, so guys, I have a lot of lights here so that it's easy for me. See? I have to use so much lights. I have 4 lights here, which will help me with all this. And I have done until there. I've done until, so I've done this now. It runs well. So just take you put it in, it's done. I have a lot of things here. We have a battery. And just look at this. Let me show you. This is a very small spanner. Okay, so the light is going to dim now. So I better keep the camera here. And this thing is the thing I will work on. I will listen songs. I haven't charged it. I'll listen songs and do things. And I have my own bank card. I have a key to lock my door so that people won't take my things. I have a stapler. I have a lot of papers under my desk. All my planning to do the next thing. And Sorry guys. And I have this box full of electric materials. There are a lot of high voltage things in there, so be careful. So, yep, that's all for mine. I have this. Sometimes I'll go out and I'll bring my regulars, and yeah, my workshop.